Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to fix fail to detect location error in Pokemon Go. Let's go through the steps to help you go back in the game. First, make sure location services are turned on. Go to settings, select location and set it to high accuracy. Pokemon Go needs precise location tracking, so these settings can often solve the issue. Turning airplane mode on and off can reset your phone's connection. Swipe down from the top of your screen, enable airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This can help reset GPS and network issues that could be causing that location error. Close Pokemon Go completely, including from your recent apps, and then reopen it. A quick restart can sometimes resolve minor location detection issues with the app. Open Google Maps or another mapping app and calibrate your phone's GPS by moving it in a figure-8 motion. This improves your GPS accuracy and can help Pokemon Go detect your exact location. Make sure Pokemon Go is up to date. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. Updates often include fixes for GPS or location detection issues. If the error persists, try restarting your device. Rebooting can clear up any underlying system issues that might be affecting location detection. Sometimes this error occurs due to server issues on Pokemon Go's end. Check Niantic's Twitter or down detector to see if there is a server outage. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back up. If you are using battery saver mode, it may interfere with GPS accuracy. Turn it off temporarily and see if that resolves the issue, as some phones reduce GPS sensitivity in battery saver mode. And there you go. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the failed to detect location error in Pokemon Go. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.